Hello, my name is Logan. This is my portfolio project for the Nucamp front-end course. It is a coffee shop finding app. If we press this search nearby button in the top right, it's going to get the location data from the device you're using and make an API call to the Yelp Fusion API and give us back some coffee shops here. You can see that the restaurant name, the coffee shop name, the distance from your current location in miles, the Yelp rating, and the address are all displayed here. So some basic information. I would like to add some functionality in the future where when you click these different cards, it'll expand maybe to a separate page and give you some more details about the coffee shop and maybe some in-app in-app directions, so you don't have to navigate to a different app to find the shop you're looking for. You can also use this search field in the top right if you want to search for a location that you're not currently in, and it's displayed exactly the same, all the same information, just different coffee shops in a different location. This is pretty responsive app. If we look down here in the mobile view, the search nearby button becomes this arrow icon, which you can still click. If we refresh this, we can still click and it's going to give us the same information as before. And the search input also still works the same. Let's go ahead and look at our code. Here in our app.js in the main app function body, we have some grids and a container. We're using Material UI, so those are some Material UI components, as well as our header. Right here, we're mapping over the information returned from the API call to fill out this coffee card component, which is right here. Again, these are all Material UI components. We also have our header, which is mostly copied from the Material UI documentation. There's some things I did change. This icon right here, some small things like spacing. I added some conditional rendering for the near me button and the search nearby button here, so it switches from this text to this icon when you reach a certain breakpoint in screen size. If we go ahead and look at the API.js, we're making two separate API calls to the Yelp Fusion API. The reason we needed two separate API calls is because in this first one, this is just for the search nearby button next to the text field. And this down here is for that text field. The reason that we needed two separate ones is because the data we need to fill out for that given URL is a little different. We used string template literals. You can see the information here. We needed to pull your latitude and longitude to make that API call. And here, all we need is a single location parameter. So that's why there's two API calls here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty basic concept for the app. Thanks for watching.